Thinking about installing vinyl flooring but not sure what it will actually cost you? Stick around because in this video, we're breaking down every dollar from materials to labor so you know exactly what you're going to spend. First, let's talk flooring types. First, there's sheet vinyl. This is the most budget-friendly and great for large or industrial spaces. Then there's the most popular, which is vinyl plank, also called LVP. This flooring mimics hardwood and is super popular right now. There's also LVTs, but those also kind of fall under the LVP category. Now let's talk price range per square foot. Sheet vinyl is typically 50 cents to $2, whereas vinyl plank is normally $2 to $5 per square foot. Keep in mind, higher end designs or added durability features can bump up the price, and so can retailers. You can get all of these flooring options at a wholesale price at arcoflooring.com, but I'll get into more of that later. Now let's talk installation costs. If you're hiring a pro, labor usually runs between $1.50 to $3 per square foot. This definitely depends on your region and how complex the job is. So if you have an oddly shaped room, subfloor issues, or a floor that's just typically harder to install, that will cost you more. But there is more than just planks and labor. Here are some extras you may not have thought about. The first being underlayment. Underlayment is typically 25 cents to $1 per square foot, but it's not always needed. Most LVP these days have a pad attached. Definitely double check the LVP that you want, because if it doesn't have it, you're going to have to pay for that as well. The next thing is floor prep. That's typically $1 to $3 per square foot. Then there's the tear out, the removal of your old flooring, and that's gonna be $1 to $2 per square foot. Then you cannot forget about the trim and transitions. That's typically $2 to $5 per square foot. And then you have your baseboards, which is 50 cents to $1.25 per square foot. And lastly, moving furniture. Some installers will charge extra for this. It really just depends. So always ask for a detailed quote up front so you're not caught off guard. So what's the total cost? An example for a 200 square foot room with a mid-range LVP, materials are gonna be about $3 per square foot. So we times that by 200 and we get $600. Then we have the labor, which is $2 per square foot times 200, which is $400. And the extras, which is the underlayment, trim, etc. And that's typically around $150 for this 200 square foot room. The total estimate is $1,150. So a good range for most projects is gonna be $4 to $7 per square foot, all in with everything included. Can you DIY it though? Absolutely. If you got the time and the tools, you could save hundreds in labor, but keep in mind, mistakes can cost you in the long run. The way that we like to think about it is the DIY cost is just materials and a weekend or two if you've got it. But the pro cost is peace of mind and that pro finish. So now you should have a full breakdown and an idea of what you should typically spend for a vinyl flooring project. But remember, the biggest tip of all is to get your flooring at wholesale price. Check out arcoflooring.com in the description below. We ship to all 50 states and have award-winning customer service to be there for you every step of the way. The flooring gets shipped right to your door, and it's one of the best ways to buy flooring in this current day and age. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments below and we'll be happy to make a video on it. As always, thank you for watching and we'll see you in the next one.